Why I love Filipino Homes is that it has the best, leading, and professional one-of-a-kind real estate service here in the Philippines. From its humble beginning up to the top, the company never stops on its growth and innovations. It really changed our life and my family to be more successful from a regular employee to a real estate service practitioner.
I love Filipino Homes because it's a game changer. It seeks to continuously improve what it can for the industry and not just the company.
Filipino Homes equips me with all that I need so I can provide better service and value to my clients. On top of that, we always get high-quality trainings just like this for free, which are aimed to improve our business skills, develop our character, both personally and professionally. Because of Filipino Homes, I can now work smarter and sell smarter. Truly, Filipino Homes is changing the game in real estate today.
With Filipino Homes, I'm living a life I never imagined. It changed my life, my family's life.
Why Filipino Homes? Because it gives me the opportunity to travel the world.
It's the best company in the world. You know what? I now have my own business with the best system that can provide me the success that I've always dreamed of. I have the best friendship with my teammates. And lastly, purpose. I know the direction of my life and my dreams are all clear. Excited to work with Filipino Homes all the rest of my life.
Filipino Homes molds every agent and brokers to be better. The company gives us free trainings and seminars for us to be equipped with information for us to become the best real estate agents in the Philippines.
With Filipino Homes,
We're ready to face the future.
actually changed my life from an IT professional to a real estate broker with more dreams. And it did come true with Filipino Homes. And it inspires people to dream more and to strive hard for the betterment of our life and our career.
I love Filipino Homes because it makes real estate selling easy. We have the brand, we have the system, we have free world-class trainings, and more. Filipino Homes is designed for us to succeed.
It allows me to grow and help me build strong values towards my clients, colleagues, friends, and family. Filipino Homes allows me to dream big and make it happen.
Filipino Homes is the #1 leading real estate brand in the Philippines. Developing licensed, quality, and high-performing agents is its top priority. Aiming to help our clients provide the best and quality property investment.
We are now a real estate developer in our province and leading our real estate sales force in the Caraga region.
Everything is made possible with a wide network and strong connections that we built through Filipino Homes. We love Filipino Homes.
Filipino Homes is the most exceptional real estate industry in the Philippines today. Filipino Homes has also molded me as a real estate broker.
Why I love Filipino Homes? Simply because I want to be with the #1 real estate company in the Philippines, that is Filipino Homes. This is my home.
With Filipino Homes, we have experienced what extraordinary means. We have transformed our lives into something we have only dreamed of before. We love Filipino Homes.
It is the #1 trusted real estate partner in the Philippines. Trainings and events are world-class. We have large network and camaraderie for our business partner nationwide.
Why I love Filipino Homes? It's because of financial stability, financial freedom, and a chance to travel the whole world.
We love Filipino Homes because of the opportunity it gives us to help other people. We help home buyers find the best homes and investors find the best investments. And we love Filipino Homes because of the earning and travel opportunities it gives our agents and brokers. We love Filipino Homes.
Why I love Filipino Homes? It's because mainly of its strong leaders and very effective leadership styles. They provide us with unlimited opportunities to explore, to expand, to grow, and be the best in the industry.
For its values that stands its principle of honesty, integrity, and client service. For its vision, strict ethical and professional standards to give the best service to our clients. For its mission, that is to help more Filipinos by changing their lives for the better. There are so many reasons why I love Filipino Homes. #1, because it promotes professionalism and it takes care of the brokers and salesperson. It trains us, it updates us, and makes me do my duty as a REBAC broker to promote RESA and help them in their compliance.
It's the largest and #1 real estate company in the Philippines today. It molded me, the leader that I am today, because it has a proven system that promotes personal and developmental growth of real estate agents and brokers. We are provided the right tools through trainings and seminars that help us succeed. Filipino Homes made our lives easier and happier.
It has a heart to serve, not just to its clients, but to its agents. They always create opportunities for the agents' lives to be better.
Filipino Homes help me to be financially free, and I get to travel here and abroad for free.
I'm with Filipino Homes for 10 years. I love Filipino Homes and its platform because it enables me to manage my own team of brokers and agents effectively nationwide.
I love Filipino Homes because this is the most rewarding and life-changing career I ever had.
I want to share opportunities what Filipino Homes have. I want to share my blessings to my family. And I want to discover more in this field in the future.
Filipino Homes provides excellent service, highly professional and ethical standards. I love Filipino Homes.
Fits the lifestyle I want. You get to enjoy your work and love your life more. Filipino Homes mastered a system that grows and innovates, not only for the Filipinos, but also for the world. I love Filipino Homes.
Filipino Homes!